How to make OMAD easier? OMAD is not as difficult as you think. The problem is that you're unaware of the rules and guidelines of this fantastic diet plan. You can make OMAD easier from the very first week if you adopt 3 key strategies. Keep a food journal. Keep yourself busy during the day. Keep exercising regularly. Keeping a food journal will make it easier to plan your meal, count calories, and determine the nutritional content before consuming it. You may also write about things you must avoid to ensure a well-balanced meal and devise strategies to prevent unwanted or unavoidable food cravings. Keeping yourself busy is vital for keeping your mind off eating. Keep in mind that following OMAD can become more manageable as you get immune to hunger pangs. Staying active and busy throughout the day will help you stop thinking about food, and there will come a time when your body will adjust to 1 meal a day routine. Exercising is the key to creating a favorable environment for your body to lose weight and gain maximum benefits from OMAD. You not just burn calories with exercise, but also boost your willpower. When your body is ready to fast on a regular basis, OMAD becomes more manageable and your health goals become more attainable.